Hey guys, OJ from Fluid Motor Union, and today I got Matt here. We're installing scrape armor. Now what scrape armor is, it's a protective undershield that goes underneath the car towards the front of the bumper lip. They make it for a lot of different cars. It installs pretty easily, but what it does is for cars that are wrapped or have a real nice paint on it, you're gonna have this panel here that takes the blunt of the force. So Matt's putting this thing on right now. I'm gonna have Matt explain what step of the process he's in right now. Where are you at, Matt?
Right now I'm just test fitting the armor on before I can drill the holes and get everything sealed and ready all together.
So the kit comes pretty nice. They have factory bolts which bolts it up, but then to get that extra seal, as you can see there's a little bit of bowing here, you're going to be drilling and using a sealer. So all in all, it's a pretty good product. It's a little spendy, but that being said, it helps protect the value of the vehicle, especially if you've got a wrapped car where if you scrape something, the wrap's going to start to lift up and not look very good hanging down. And that's kind of why we're putting this thing on. So pretty pleased with it, and give you some more shots of it once it's all on. If you're interested in it, go ahead, give us a call, jump on our website, fluidmotorunion.com, help you out. Thanks.